Your USD formatter shows 50 cents instead of 50 cents, and it's not a typo. This silently breaks financial UIs, and the fix isn't obvious. Creates a new number formatter instance configured for US English locale to format numbers as United States dollar currency using the Intl.NumberFormat API without enforcing a minimum number of fractional digits. Calls the format method on the previously defined formatter instance to convert the numeric value 0.5 into a currency string, which by default may show varying fractional digits depending on the implementation, but typically omits trailing zeros for this low-value amount. Creates another international number format instance with identical locale and currency settings, but adds a configuration option specifying that at least 2 digits must appear after the decimal point when formatting numbers, ensuring consistent fractional representation. Invokes the format method on the fixedFormatter instance, which now guarantees a minimum of 2 fractional digits, to transform 0.5 into a standardized currency string representation. Always set minimum fraction digits when formatting money to avoid decimal truncation. Subscribe for daily coding videos.